So as I'm getting closer to the final stages, now I want to add some harnesses for the rear speakers. You know, they have these two harnesses, but I don't know what they are. They're doing nothing. There's no voltage, nothing. They end up somewhere there. So I'll add two harnesses to the rear speakers, and then also I will route the wires, the harnesses, because I want to add some parking sensors in the rear bumper. And this will be the next thing to do. I will use these two stuff. I will try to do it somehow. And then hopefully these days close the interior as well. Now it seems. Routing the harnesses, the sensors. I have a hole here in the trunk, so I can come out right from behind the bumper. And yeah, I'll just stick them in the position. And the final drills will be when the bumper will be mounted. But up till then, I'm just doing this. That's one. The harnesses are pretty short, but I think I'll mount the central unit here behind. And then only the sensor will be up front, and this is the idea. How is designed with a short. Yeah, so after routing everything in, the sensors, which are having the rear bumper, all the harnesses, harnesses for the speakers. I did the sensors up in front. After everything is done, cleaned up once again, it's time that I put the carpet in. Afterwards, after the carpet, I think I will put the side panel, the plastic side panel, and then step by step, one by one, assemble everything I need to assemble. So check out the routing I made. I'm pretty fine with the routing. And yeah, follow me for more. Meanwhile, I forgot to mention that I changed the driver's seat belt. Mine was absolutely broken like a shit. And for your information, you can fit most of the seat belts from those years and also till the early 2000s. The one I use is from a Golf 4. And it fitted like a charm. I needed to do some very fine adjustment in a certain area where the module is fixed in the tower. But yeah, basically that's fine. I have some difficulties with the rear ones because you know that the seatbelts are gravitational. They always need to be perpendicular to the ground to be able to open it. And then the rear ones, the design there, a certain angle. And it's very hard by hand to move them to that certain angle. But I'm sure I will find a way later on. Not an issue, not an emergency for now. After I put the seat, the carpet, I'll move down preparing the trunk, where I prepared some new panels. The front's over here, one over here, and this side I made one which is removable for easier cleaning. Check it out.